In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can get the enemy Snapchat filter. Let's go. Okay, first of all, go and start Snapchat. And in here, I already got the filter. That's a filter here. There you go. You can also go and use photos for the filter. So it's called enemy style. Go to the bottom right to explore and type on the top enemy style from Snapchat. And then here we go. We got the filter and you can take photos, you can record videos. Sometimes it's buggy on the top of the hair like you can see, or sometimes it change hair colors or others. So it's a bit buggy, but it's pretty okay. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I hope this helps. Go and check out my other tutorials, like how you can get a face mask on Snapchat. It's pretty awesome and lots of people like it. Check it out on my channel. And yeah, if you like, please give it a like this video, comment down below, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.